In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox has crashed. Please perform a Windows clean boot. So if you are trying to play Roblox and you're getting an error message like this, follow along with me for some fixes to resolve this problem. So here we are on my desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your search box down in the bottom left hand corner, and what you want to do is go ahead and type run. Then go ahead and open up the run app, which will be appearing underneath best match. Now into the run box you want to type msconfig, just like so. Once that's done, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard, and what it's going to do is open up a window like this. From here you want to come up to the tabs at the top and you want to click onto services. Next, what you need to do is tick the box which says hide all Microsoft services. Then what you need to do is go ahead and click the disable all button. Once you've done that, make sure to click apply at the bottom, and then what you want to do is come back to the tabs at the top and click onto startup. From here, click onto open task manager. So what you want to do is look at the status icon over here, and any ones that are still enabled, for example this one here, you want to come and disable each of these different apps. So once you've done that and you've disabled all these apps, what you're going to want to do is just close down this window, close down this one, and go ahead, restart your PC and see if you can now launch Roblox without this error occurring. So if you've tried that but you're still getting this error message, the second fix for this is to download the Microsoft Store version of Roblox. So to do that, from your desktop you want to come back to the search box in the bottom left hand corner, and this time you want to go ahead and type store, then go ahead and open up the Microsoft Store on your PC or laptop. Once the Microsoft Store has loaded through, what you're going to want to do is come up to the search box at the top and go ahead and type Roblox into here, and just go ahead and search for Roblox. So you can see the Roblox app here. You just want to go ahead, give that a click. Then what you want to do is click onto the blue button here. It's either going to say get or install. So you just want to go ahead and click onto that. It might ask you to log into your account at this point. Once you've gone ahead and logged in, what that's going to do is download the Microsoft Store version of Roblox onto your PC. And you should now be able to use the Microsoft Store version of Roblox to play Roblox and stop that error message from coming up. So that is how to fix if you're getting an error message saying Roblox has crashed. Please perform a Windows clean boot. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.